Look at this beautiful layered style. I have Lisbon from the City collection from Belle Tress to show you guys today. Oh my gosh, I love it. I have her in the color Coolest Ash Brown, which I've reviewed a number of times. Really love this neutral to cool brunette, but look at these layers, you guys. She is layered to perfection. She's got a fringe that you can cut into a bang. She's gorgeous. Great for ponytails, which I already have done. Let's talk about her. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook, and I am here today on behalf of Chiquel to bring you this review of Lisbon from Belle Tress. There's not very many people out there who haven't watched my videos for any period of time that don't know that I love Belle Tress. I do. I just love Belle Tress wigs so much. And this is coming from someone who was terrified to buy heat-friendly synthetics in my first almost 3 years of wig wearing. And now I just love heat-friendly synthetics. But Belle Tress makes just some of the best styles, most realistic, very realistic density. This one has incredibly realistic density. Now, Chiquel is an online retailer that carries all the major name brands, and I love representing them. I'm so grateful to them for the opportunities that they've given me to bring you guys so many videos and so many wigs. They carry everything. They have physical stores. You can go visit them in Dallas, in Kansas City. They have 3 locations in Canada. You can shop with them in the UK, in the US, in Canada. My coupon codes work in all of those locations. They also have an online store in Australia, but my coupon doesn't work there, unfortunately, but everywhere else. And I'm just so grateful, and I would really love it if you guys would check them out. I'll link this wig in the description. I have a coupon code that will save you money on any purchase. And we'll talk about this wig now. Let's look at her from all sides. I can't help it. When I put a wig on that I just feel amazing in, I think you can tell. I've been losing my hair since my early 20s. I'm 54, and I do love wigs a lot. And I love the opportunity to wear styles that I could never have achieved with my own hair. This would have been one of those styles. This color is slightly lighter than my natural bio hair, but not by a lot. And I would have loved to have been able to have a long, layered haircut. I could never have achieved this. And this really soft wave. It's not curly, it's not super wavy. It's so flattering. Now we have a lace front on this one, and Belle Tress makes some of the best lace fronts in the world, I think, on the market for sure. Very natural density, looks like it's growing out of your head, and it's very naturally knotted. And even on brunettes, those knots are tiny, so you can't really see them. And that's difficult to achieve on a brunette. If you're someone who likes to kind of clip the hair up in front and get a little poof there, I love doing that sometimes. This has got the best lace front for that. You can also clip the hair back if you want to. You could absolutely cut a bang into this one. My wig grip just came with it, which is fine because I like to assess fit without it. You can cut a bang into it. I actually have a video showing how you can use a thinning razor to trim a bang into a wig, and this one already has the template because it's got the shorter kind of face framing, and anybody can do it. You don't have to have skill or even a steady hand to use a thinning razor. So I'll link a few videos below so that you can go watch if you haven't already seen those. We have extended lace, ear tab to ear tab, left side mono part. So the City collection, this is the standard cap for the City collection, and they come with either a left mono part or a center mono. We've got extended nape, Velcro adjusters, and then the rest is open wefted. You can see I've cinched these adjusters in already, and I'm actually gonna cinch it in slightly more than I did. So the City collection, in my opinion, is very true to average. It I cinch them in a fair amount. I have a 21.5 circumference, and I always have to cinch mine in. When I wear a wig grip, it's all fine. I can totally wear them comfortably. I also get a lot of extra cap up here. So I have a pretty petite over the top of my head. And when I can do this, that just means a way bigger head than mine can fit inside the cap for the over the top measurements. Boy, I made a bit of a mess with this one when I did that. So you can be a fair amount bigger than I am and fit into this just fine. I do like to try to put these on camera for you guys so you can kind of see not only how easy it is to put a wig on. And let me tell you, when I first started wearing wigs, the first time I saw someone put a wig on camera, I cried. I literally cried because I was just like, am I even doing this right? How am I supposed to put it on? Then I've committed to showing as much as I possibly can so that you don't struggle like I struggled. So beautiful. So fit. I think you can be a fair amount bigger than I am and still fit into the City Collection caps. I wear a wig grip and then it's all just fine. They can be big and it's all right. I'm comfortable. They'll stay put. I don't worry about them slipping and sliding. I can link a video below to my favorite wig grips. They're by Wig Guru. She makes about 13 different versions. So if you've tried wig grips in the past, but you haven't tried hers, you should. You really should. I'm sure there's one that will work for you, even if there have been none others. Very natural density, no permatease, so it's very flat on the top. We've got a very flat, like our bio hair would be, unless we really worked on it. A lot of back combing, a lot of round brushing, a lot of thickening product. This is just so natural. Throw and go. It's got a beautiful density. It's not heavy density, beautiful ponytail, and I will throw on, let me slide over, because I did like a vertical video showing her in a ponytail. So I'll let you see that right now. And so it looks beautiful in a ponytail with layers like this. It's so great for a ponytail. I think you could braid this one. Just so much flexibility. You can wear it down. Do keep in mind that heat-friendly synthetic fibers can be a little tricky on longer lengths because the friction on these fibers does fray and frizz them. I think heat-friendly synthetic fibers are the closest to human hair versus regular synthetic. The density, the denier, the diameter of each individual strand, to me, is closer to human hair than regular synthetic. They feel like human hair to me. They don't have shine like synthetic sometimes can be shiny. Every bit of a heat-friendly synthetic to me is the most natural next to human hair. It's just that the friction is really, really hard on these fibers. So wearing your heat-friendly synthetics that are longer in ponytails sometimes. So if you're gonna wear these longer heat-friendly synthetics a lot, consider styling up sometimes. The fix for frizzing and fraying is heat. So you wanna maybe take a hot air brush to this and periodically, sometimes a lot, depending. If you're gonna wear these as your everyday daily driver for 10 hours a day, 8 hours a day, you are gonna need to take heat at least to the nape, probably every time, at least every time after a little period of time, because the friction is just a lot on the nape of these and you're gonna wanna comb through it regularly. I know that makes it sound like they're undesirable, but that's the trade-offs you're making. You can go with regular synthetic and you won't have as much of that trouble, but I find they tangle a little bit more. I don't always feel as confident in regular synthetic as I do in heat-friendly synthetic, but that's me. We're all different. And I know some of you love synthetic, and that's great. I wore only synthetic for the first almost 3 years. If you can afford human hair, you're not going to deal with any of that on longer lengths. So eventually you're going to figure out what works for you. I just try to give you all the information. I don't have a lot of videos showing how to care for heat-friendly synthetic. That's coming in 2026. I know we're more than halfway through, so I've got to get on that. But I've been wearing them a lot, longer ones this year, so that I can make those videos for you. But for now, Lisbon is gorgeous, natural, beautiful. Nobody's going to know you have a wig on when you're wearing a wig like this. She does come in some other colors as well. So let's cover color. Coolest Ash Brown is the kind of coolest brunette color that Belle Tress offers. And I will tell you that cool and ashy brunettes are incredibly hard to come by in the wig world. Whether you're looking at human hair or synthetic, most brunettes are warm. The vast majority of brunettes are warm. So if you're looking for something with no red, no warmth, you're going to struggle. It's not very common. We've got kind of a blend, a really beautiful blend of a light ash brown and a cool medium brown as the base. And then we've got some, they say that it's like a dark blonde highlight. It's very subtle. It's not obvious that there's blonde in here at all. So if you're a brunette who doesn't like blonde highlights, it's not obvious, but it does sort of brighten it up. You can see a little bit right there. And that blonde is relatively ashy. So this gives this a very neutral, leaning toward ashy. For me, when a wig is ash toned, when it's an ashy color, when it's a really cool color, it leans gray. You can see subtle hints of maybe some grayish in some lighting. This leans that way, but I don't think it looks gray. It is a stunning blend. And up here, you can actually see where some of those lighter tones are. You guys, it's so beautiful. I love this color. It's one of my favorites. Let's get outside so you can see this color outside. Let me know if you have questions. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I have so many videos and so many teaching videos. Yes, I do wig reviews, but I teach as much as I possibly can, and I will be having a lot more heat-friendly synthetic videos coming out hopefully soon. I have a whole new wig wearers series. It's 8 episodes long. I plan to refilm that whole series because it's been over 4 years since I filmed it, and I know so much more now than I did then. And so you can learn a lot. I think reviews are super helpful too, but the teaching is where my heart is. So join me on that journey and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget about Chiquel as well. See you guys soon. Let's go outside. Very, very filtered sun. It wants to be direct sunlight, but there's fires about long ways north, 5 hours north of us. And so it's very, very smoky here. At least up in the atmosphere. Although it's kind of stinky, but so it's not direct sunlight is what I'm trying to say. They did such a good job of blending these colors. There you go. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.